As a service or retail worker, you face unique challenges in reducing your risk of COVID-19. Fortunately, there are essential yet simple protective steps you can take to help keep yourself and others safe, despite the uncertainty of customers' vaccination status or customers possibly being infected but not showing signs. 1. Comply with workplace health and safety policies, which exist specifically to protect you. 2. Be sure to regularly evaluate your and your family's health for signs and symptoms that may indicate COVID-19. If either you or a close family member is sick, talk with your employer about alternatives for covering shifts. 3. Maintain space between you and others to limit your risk. If possible, use tabletop ordering and contactless point-of-sale technologies to limit close contact and increase the distance between you and others. 4. Ensure that you correctly wear an effective and properly fitted mask indoors or within enclosed close-quarter spaces, such as dining tents. Curious about how to find an effective mask or how to be sure it fits properly? Click on the link in the description to learn more. 5. When coughing or sneezing, keep your mask on. If you are not masked, either use a tissue and throw it away or use the inside of your elbow. 6. Just before and after leaving work, always wash or sanitize your hands, as most public surfaces, like handles and railings, are repeatedly touched by large numbers of people throughout the day. If using a sanitizer, ensure it's at least 60% alcohol. Check the link below to learn more about other ways to help ensure you reduce the spread of COVID-19 and help keep yourself and others safe at work.